Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the correct Aqua Optima cartridge for your unit and that the jug is clean. This prevents leaks and poor performance. Once verified, remove the cartridge wrapper and rinse briefly under cold tap water to dislodge dust. Insert the cartridge firmly into the head until it clicks, then place the lid. Fill the reservoir to the max line slowly. This primes the filter media and starts the initial adsorption process, so make sure the water flows through. You now prime the filter by running the first full fill-through and discarding that water. This removes loose carbon dust and activates the media. Once done, refill and let the jug complete a full cycle. Expect 5 to 10 minutes depending on cartridge age and water temperature. Make sure to pour slowly to avoid splashback. After filtering, store the water sealed in the fridge for up to 48 hours. This keeps taste optimal and slows bacterial growth. You finish by tracking cartridge life. Replace after 4 to 6 weeks or roughly 150 L to maintain effectiveness. If you experience slow flow, make sure the inlet holes are clear and reseat the cartridge to remove airlocks. This restores proper flow. If filtered water tastes off, run 2 to 3 fresh cycles to flush the media, and if the flavor remains, replace the cartridge immediately. Regular cleaning of the jug and timely replacements keep filtration reliable and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.